Someone called my attention on the video Father Nwebe made, I think yesterday, regarding the trading video Father Mbaka did, trying to dish Evangelist Mbaka as usual. So on that video, Father Nwebe seems to be complaining bitterly what he is passing through, because he came out last time to speak against Evangelist Mbaka and Zion ministry. And Zionites, especially the ones that based in the United States of America and other parts of the world, we are kind of maybe distancing themselves from him and other things. First thing first, Father Nwebe, I will tell you to just stop the emotional blackmail. I believe this is the first time of me trying to address you. I always see your video and opinion, especially then when you are kind of doing all those things, but I never wanted to address you because sometimes anama go chagina nde how to go do issue, but I just want to tell you to stop the emotional blackmail, because the truth of everything is that you overdid things, you overreacted then a few months ago when you were kind of trying to fight a battle you decided to fight on your own and claiming that God sent you. One thing about you all is that sometimes you always come here to lie that God will do sege or shineke sege bogwa, shineke sege menka. You guys should stop using God to lie us all those lies. As far as I'm concerned, the God Evangelist Mbaka is serving and the God you guys are serving are not different. If I don't know get different, the man on Kunu man are serve. So you guys should stop trying to deceive the public or confuse the public, if I should put it that way. That no battle Chineke Tiriginaka for you to fight. You are fighting it alone and this one and that one. But what were you thinking when you were busy saying all sort of things against someone that have never mentioned you before? Because now when you were still doing your ministry or whatever at and God's side, first tag or whatever, Zion ministry was kind of made some people not to always come over there, and the team made you to stop yours before they transfer you back to Abba. You took everything upon yourself, so when you were kind of saying all those things, bashing Evangelist Mbaka, even the worst of them all is the day I saw in the video where you remove your shoe. Bidaka na ko onye edu Jenny Harris ko do yin na whether makia de ocha makia de ocha. It was out of faith. So what were you expecting? The fact that Evangelist Mbaka is not responding to any of you. You thought Zionites, Zion members will also keep calm and be looking all of you. Those of them that know what God has done for them through Evangelist Mbaka and Zion ministry, we try to do the little way they could by cutting you off. When they actually want to go, they sponsor you, they cut you off. Because you can't be insulting their spiritual director and still expecting them to be, giving you that small gift or whatever they used to give to you, or keep inviting you to their homes. But to the United States of America, or even assisting you in a little way. No, I don't know. Sometimes, what you please fail to understand is that God are those days when people go to church with blindness, like when people are Christian mumu, if I should put it that way. God are those days. You can't underwrite people anymore. You can't tell people what to do. You can't tell people where they will go to worship. Thank God you confirm on your video that a lot of people are being controlled by the evangelist Ebuka, though on any garu to mention it. You know, some of you, I don't know, you can't even be proud enough to call his name and make your statement. Thank God you acknowledge the fact that the ministry evangelist Ebuka is controlling a lot of people over the United States, especially. And you went ahead to call upon other priests, other Igbo priests to join you. And if care is not taken, I want to ask this question: why is it that it's only Igbo priests What happened to Yoruba priests and other tribes, especially over there in Lagos? I've never seen any Yoruba priest in the the same you that used to support evangelist Ebuka is real, is this one, is that one. Later you are calling that priest, if care is not taken, you think you can tell a grown-up what to do? You think people are ready or are interested to listen to what you tell them on where they will go to worship or what to believe on? Especially those of them God has, liberated or delivered through evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry. Those people have been cut. Some of these people you guys are trying to control, tell them to stop going to Zion, do this one, has been a Catholic member even before they ordained some of you as a Catholic priest. Ụfọdụ n'ime all these people na-apụta na-asị na evangelist Ebuka na-eme adenji, Zion ministry bụ fake, ha gara na Zion ministry, ha focus on Catholic, ha made this one na doctor Njidi nka. They are a core deep Catholic member before Anna ordained some of you as priests. They have said it all. If no the KJ on Sunday, but the tenor, they have been there, have got those things, and still most of them are passing through or whatever in whatever they are passing through before God uses evangelist Ebuka to deliver them or liberate them. You think you can convince such people, or you think such people can overlook you when you are trying to belittle or rubbish their spiritual director online? Nah, they can't. How long when they can make one or two things, they're gonna cut you off. Now you are crying that your business was actually equal to business. Business ganazi agaga. Amakwane onwo mazi na azu. Amakwana when they na go school. Oh, so evangelist Ebuka, you all are pressing. Na ataka crackers biscuit. Emuhondi on azu na school. So he doesn't have people he trained. Nwere business. We na achọ ka unu tarnish another person. Na care about all these things unu na fight for. I'm beginning to understand it all. No ihe gbasara ego na business ka na answer. When Father Mbaka was making his own preach, at some point he switched and started saying, "Ego ne kimwe, and asine or inwe ego, ikibe to mwe ego, inwe ego kwenu ka oke ego." Who is talking about money? Evangelist Ebuka is not even the type na dey over pompous or na ego si onwe. You always see him simple. Danyo fumoto ogo una. The only reason Jegodu with the gallant men Nimezeo ministry Kagari Zobuya one day. How many times Kerus God got talk about doya vam? He's not even the type that shows off. So I don't know why most of you are just buying yourself unnecessary, coming out to manipulate the minds of innocent Catholic members, saying that God will send you maybe go ministry, business, they have spoiled your business, they have done this one, they have done that one. The next thing he started saying, Zion Korogo. It's just those of you people that always say Korogo. If care is not taken on a very good day, you will get provide the evidence because this is what most of you believed. You know? So stop the emotional blackmail and face whatever music Zion ministry members, especially those ones in the United States, are playing for you. Dance it very well. As far as I'm concerned, whatever any Zion member or Zion person is doing today, even they say guys not even aware of it. Some of those people are doing all those things due to what God has done to them through the man, and they knew that what you guys are doing is wrong. You guys are just swimming in a pool of jealousy, constituting nuisance. Only Igbo priest, only also soon. I've never seen any Yoruba priest that has come out to say, Evangelism is this, Evangelism can have no chilios, Evangelism can have mianka, Evangelism can have mianka. Also soon, one Ndinki Igbo, Nochana East, Mandinke Nocha, Ebenama Ode. All those ones that are around the ministry in the same state with the ministry are not even saying anything. Why would you bring so soon wow the father and Igbo ka Chineke na-ezi di ozi n'unu ogu ka stop was your ministry? Why? You know, like I said, you guys thought that Christianity now is still like those days. Father Currently, some people don't give a fuck. They don't give a damn. Because a lot of things are happening in this world. Most of you don't even believe in spiritual things. You don't believe what when we step back, no we hear them mad in life. And you see people they buy, people they suffer, people they struggle in life. People are not attack kill you and if you na mad in ihe na-eje. You na koronya ihe ọzọ. Then if you see where those people go to a kind of ministry and God used the man of God there to set them free, and you think that you can still convince them that now those ones is wrong, no, the other one is right. All because of these things, people you see in a Catholic church, by other churches. I have a lot of problem with you priests. Now you are calling other priests. I'm asking Kusi make that statement. At some point, I was watching the video. At some point, I was like thinking, is Zion ministry Catholic church, or is it not Zion, or was there another branch Catholic church or whatever? Another Catholic church, Evangelism could was a father. Because I don't know how you guys are even thinking and reasoning all these things. Is Zion a Catholic church? Are only Igbos attending Catholic Zion ministry? Do you know the Yoruba community, Hausa community, Calabar, different tribes? You think it's only Catholic church that made up Zion ministry? You think so? Do you know that denomination that attend there? Or because now the evangelism with Catholic and maintain can they make some certain things? Or you see as if need you marry the Catholic. I know what all of you are fighting for. It's just greediness and the ego, business aspect of it. Ego. Let us embark on prayer. Let us. Do you think God answers stupid prayers? God doesn't answer stupid prayers. Ayen chani ne bumbado. Oh, God will the final say. If you like, do 100 days dry fasting, trying to go against Onyake Adiocha, it can never work. Stop the emotional blackmailing and face the music. Oh, this is all night na anyi riganya. Oya mere ji bia juzio idize ekwu. Oh, wow. Oha na anyi riganya. Ekwezi ka ibi America. Ndị na-achọ gị $1 onwezi ochere akwere achọ gị $1 wow, no wonder asụkwa m nke a from da Nwebe joy ana m anụzi unu. You are thinking after all those things that those members will still be giving you free yam and chicken ka ị na-ata na sendere gị USD ka ị na-change n'eri ọ na support your ministry. Evangelism is a movement. That's why I said last time, assuming you guys, you fathers or Catholic Church in general, know what you are doing, you would have tried to work together and do things right. And not all these ones who name like this. You know, my own is that I always come here and tell you guys the truth. I'm not among those people. I'm not among those people that will come and say, Ejike Mwangwa, Ejike Menka, Ejike kwenu, Ejike. No, I don't do those shit. I don't do it. I will judge you based on your speech, based on your Facebook activities, based on what you said on your program, on your life, on your teaching, or whatever. That's how I do mine. Enwere mefe ebe akwaka ana ebo mmadu ebubo na father na eme nka ndị dibia eme nka ndị eme nka. No, I don't have those time. So I do my thing straight. So what am I trying to say? Stop the emotional blackmailing and face the music. Ego ona ndị America na akọrọ gị ị na-agba onye dị kpata dị nkụ ahụ. Have a wonderful new month. God